Welcome back. We have a special guest joining us this morning, David Grubb, here to tell us about the MOCHIP program and where you can get your kids signed up. All right, thank you for joining us this morning, David.
Thank you.
Well, first let's start off, what is the MOCHIP program and why is it important?
Okay, first thing that everybody always asks, no, we don't insert a chip in the kids.
No, no, I didn't think so, but that's a good question though.
But this is a child identification program. Over 2,000 kids are abducted or disappear every day in the United States. This helps the families and the police find them.
Yes.
We take down, this is done, we do this every year. There are 7 crews that go around the state doing this.
Is this part of, you're with the Osage Lodge? It's
number 303,
number 303.
in Nevada.
This is part of like one of your lodge's missions. Yeah.
Right. When you bring your child in, and at any age, it used to be just from birth to 21. Now we take even old people like, not you, but me.
Thank you for not calling me old. So what do they do with the kids what's the process entail?
When you first come in, we have the parents fill out a form that lists all the emergency numbers for the family, the doctors, the dentists, psychiatrists, whatever. Most people don't carry that with them. If you'll go to the bottom of this sheet and go to mochip.org, you can download the forms in advance and have them filled out. Then we weigh the children and measure them. Then they go on into the next room and we take and put all this information on the computer. Then we take digital photos, full frontal and both profiles. I asked them one year, why did they do, because they always have the girls pull their hair back. They told me that your ears are as identifying as your fingerprints.
That's true.
So after all of this is recorded, then we go on down to the digital fingerprints, and then on around to the bite wing, which your teeth are yours and nobody else's is like it.
So they do fingerprints, photographs, they do your dental imprints.
And there's enough saliva on that dental for a DNA sample.
For DNA.
And there's enough scent for a trained scent dog to find that kid in a crowd.
Awesome.
Now, the dental we can't put on a computer. We get a thumb drive. All this information's on that, and everything is given to the parents.
So the parents keep this information, so if their child ever goes missing, then they can take that to the police.
And we triple wipe the computers at the end of the program. These computers have never been online, so there's nothing hacked.
Okay, we are almost out of time.
Okay.
So I just want to quickly mention that this is going to be Saturday, June 10th from 10 to 2 as you guys are going to be set up there in Nevada.
Correct. And if you get there a little bit early, the Eastern Star is serving breakfast.
Even better. I like that. Well, thank you so much for coming in this morning.
Thank you for having me. I hope the people respond to this, and we have about 100 every year.
It's a great program.
It really is.
All right, thank you so much.
Thank you.
We'll be right back.